Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the new Creality CV-LaserModule. This module can be used on the Ender 3S1, 3S1 Pro, Creality CV-01 Pro and other CNC engraving machine. Let's see what are inside this box. You will find some bags with different items, as well the laser module and the cable to connect this to the machine. Make sure your machine is 24 volts, that way your laser work properly. Let's see what are inside the first bag. You will find some nylon cable ties, that way you have your cables properly. As well, you find these magnetic strips. It will hold your engraving material in place, that way it doesn't move when you are engraving them. As well, you will find this hexagon wrench for the different screws. You will find this dust-free cloth to clean the laser or the materials. And you will see or you will find some materials like this felt paper. There are 7 inside this little bag and they are different colors of them. Also, you will find 2 craft papers, that way you can test this material, and you will find 7 color cardboards as well. And you will have 2 wooden boards to test or engrave whatever you want inside here. And you will find the user manual on this bag. This user manual has all the instructions that you need to use this laser module. And something nice about this manual is on 2 languages. It's on English and Chinese, and you will find how to upgrade the firmware, how to use the software, how to install this laser module on the device. With this laser module, you have 3 modes available. You can engrave on outline, grayscale, black and white, and you can engrave different materials like wood, bamboo, leather, acrylic, fabric, plastic, etc. We still have some items and bags to open, and let's see what we can find here on these other items. Here you will find your protective glasses, that way you can avoid any laser damage to your eyes or your skin. Remember, safety first, always. We still have some bags that we haven't opened, an item that we haven't unboxed. Let's take this bag, and this is the last one, and see what items we can find here on this one. Here we will find some screws, one that are for the hexagon socket and the cylindrical ones, those are to mount them. And as well we'll find these air filter carbon active that will help with the smoke and the dust, and the cable here to connect your laser module to the printer. Okay, now let's take out the CV laser module from Creality. This module is 24 volts, it's lightweight and it's compact, easy to install. Let's see how it looks on all the sides of this module. In the back of this module you will see the fan, and then on the right side you will see a plastic lever that will set the C offset for the height of your item or material. And then on the top you will see the board where you're going to connect one end of the cable and then the other end on your device. And then if we flip the module, you will see the laser beam, and as well where you're going to put your active carbon smoking cotton, and you have 2 extra. Okay, this is the Creality CV laser module. If you have any question, leave it on the comments. Thank you for watching.